Hey man, thanks for tuning in. I have Easy Go TXT here, gas. I was going to show y'all how to get it winterized for the winter. What you want to do is your gas tank, depending on how much gas you have in it, you want to add a fuel stabilizer to it. We use sea foam, but they make any fuel stabilizer work. What you want to do is read the back of the bottle. Some of them is 1 ounce to 2.5 gallons, depending on what type of bottle it is. What you want to do is open the gas cap up, put into the amount that it calls for, depending on how much gas you have in the tank. Push it in the tank, put the stabilizer in there. Then you want to drive it around for probably a couple minutes. That way you get the fuel treatment inside the carburetor as well. Because a lot of people just put the fuel stabilizer in there and they don't drive it around, so the carburetor gets bad gas in it. So over time the carburetor gums up. And then another thing you want to do, I recommend getting you a battery maintainer, maybe a 2-amp maintainer, and hook it to your batteries here. You got your positive, you got your negative, and just put it on maintain mode all winter. That way it keeps your battery properly charged up. All right, man, that's it, man. Thanks for watching.